Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Bybit to Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? First, launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, go ahead and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and after doing that, that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Now, in the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect Bybit to Tradingview. So from this homepage, you can now head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. So head over to brokers and check if you will find Bybit from the list. Of course, you'll find, but one of the ways to easily connect is to open a chart. So you can head over to markets and open up any markets of your choice. And once you open up a market, it's going to take you right into the charts window, just like this market, which is Tesla. So from this, go down, you're going to find these tabs, which include stock screener, pine editor, you have strategy tester, and trading panel. So move over to trading panel, and from these tabs, we're going to check for Bybit. So scroll the way down and search easy. As you can see, Bybit is here. So go ahead and click on Bybit. Now click on Bybit, and now it says learn more about Bybit compared to all trusted brokers. Go ahead and click on Connect. And once you click on Connect, it's going to take you right into the Bybit website. Okay, the site cannot be reached. All right, so let's say Bybit is down. Bybit is really not available at the moment. So I'm just going to go all the way back and let's see if it works. If it finally works for you, just go ahead and click on Connect. And once you click on Connect, that's how you will be able to connect Bybit to Tradingview. It's that easy. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.